This method provides some fast and easy synthesis of gallium-68 core-doped nanoparticles for hybrid PET-MR molecular imaging.
The main advantage of this technique is that, thanks to the use of microwave technology, the synthesis is fast and, more importantly, completely reproducible.
First, dissolve 75 milligrams of iron chloride hexahydrate and 80 milligrams of citric acid trisodium salt dihydrate in 9 milliliters of water. Transfer the mixture to a microwave-adapted flask. Next, load a dynamic protocol in the microwave. Set the temperature to 120 degrees Celsius, the time to 10 minutes, the pressure to 250 psi, and the power to 240 watts. Add 1 milliliter of hydrazine hydrate to the reaction mixture. Then start the microwave protocol. In the meantime, rinse a gel filtration desalting column with 20 milliliters of distilled water. Once the protocol is finished and the flask cooled to room temperature, pipette 2.5 milliliters of the final mixture onto the column and discard the flow-through. Following this, add 3 milliliters of distilled water to the column and collect the nanoparticles in a plastic tube. Add 75 milligrams of iron chloride hexahydrate and 80 milligrams of citric acid trisodium salt dihydrate into a vial. Elute the gallium-68 generator using the recommended